Welcome to this short video where I'll demonstrate how to create a Salesforce Lightning page. Lightning pages allow you to build custom layouts that add another layer to the traditional record detail page you may be familiar with in Salesforce Classic. Lightning pages are built using Lightning components. These are configurable, reusable elements that you can drag and drop onto your page. Think of it like using building blocks to organize your page view. You can even assign different Lightning pages to users to control how the page is presented to them. The same data, but viewed in a different way. You start by navigating to the Lightning App Builder. Click on your Setup cog, select Setup. In the Quick Find search bar, start typing Lightning App Builder. And click to select. Click New. Select Record Page and Next. Let's label our page Account Lightning Layout. And select the object that you want to create the page for. Select Account and Next. Finally, let's choose our template. Select Header and Right Sidebar and Finish. Let's start building our Lightning page. The left column lists all of the components that are available to you to use. Let's select the Highlights panel and drag and drop it into the top region of the page. Now we'll select the Tabs component and drag and drop it onto the page. By clicking the component, we can view the Properties box in the right-hand side. Let's change our default tab to Detail and change the order of how they appear on the page. Next, let's add the component relative to each tab. On the Detail tab, select the Record Detail component and drag and drop onto the page. Select the Related tab, select Related Lists component and drag and drop onto the page. And finally, we'll add the Activities component in the right-hand region. Select the Activities component and drag and drop onto the page. Now let's save the page and we'll activate it to make it visible to our users. Click Save. Click Activate. And let's assign it as the org-wide default. And save. So let's look at our new Lightning page. Scroll to an account. Click to open the record. And we can see our new Lightning page. Highlights panel at the top. Details tab, Related tab, and our Activities component.